Hi guys, Samsung Galaxy A31 launching in India today. My name is Srinivas. Welcome to my channel Technical Vihant. So today I'm going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy A31 is set to launch in India today at 2 p.m. The Galaxy A31 was globally unveiled back in March and the phone succeeds the Galaxy A30 launched in February 2019. The new Samsung phone comes with a quad rear cameras and a water drop style display notch. Moreover, a report recently tipped the pricing of the smartphone, adding that the phone will be available to the purchase via offline retailers as well. Samsung Galaxy A31 is set to be offered in 4 color options. So if we talk about the price, the Samsung Galaxy A31 will be priced around 23,000 in India. The phone will be likely offered in blue, black, red and white color options. So in terms of availability, the Galaxy A31 will be up to grab via Flipkart. It is stated that the phone will be available to purchase through official offline channels as well. Flipkart is listing a launch time of 3 p.m. suggesting that when the phone will go on sale. So to recall, the Samsung unveiled the Galaxy A31 back in March. However, their phone pricing at that time was not revealed. The phone comes as the successor to the Galaxy A30 that was launched in February last year. So if we talk about the specifications, the dual SIM Samsung Galaxy A31 runs on Android 10 with One UI on top and features a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Infinity U display with 20:9 aspect ratio. The phone is powered by an octa-core processor which is believed to be the MediaTek Helio P65 SoC coupled with 4GB and 6GB RAM options. In terms of cameras, the rear camera setup on the Galaxy A31 houses a 48 megapixel primary sensor and 8 megapixel secondary sensor, a 5 megapixel macro shooter and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. So for selfies, the video calling, the Samsung phone packs a 20 megapixel camera sensor at the front. The phone comes with a 64GB and 128GB onboard storage options and the memory is expandable via micro SD card up to 512GB. Besides, Samsung Galaxy A31 packs a 5000 mAh battery that supports a 15-volt fast charging. So if we talk about the connectivity options on the Galaxy A31, which includes a 4G, LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS and a USB Type port. The phone offers an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. So what do you guys think? Please let me know in the comment section below. For my latest videos on tech and gadgets, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and stay safe.